Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Frank, working in this prestigious Canara Engineering College from the past 24 years. I'm heading the Department of Student Welfare, working as Dean Student Welfare. Also, I'm a professor in chemistry. I was taking care about the challenges which were received by the students, faced by the students. I was also involved in planning proactive strategies so that the students develop themselves. I was responsible for creating a conducive learning environment in the campus. At Canara Engineering College, we give importance to both academics as well as extracurricular and co-curricular activities. The students develop themselves in both technical and non-technical fields. The students interact with the faculty mentors regularly where they can share their challenges. We have several policies for students where all the students are taken care equally. Students from across the state as well as from the neighboring states study in our college. The background will be different from different regions. They are coming here and they will be facing both personal as well as academic challenges. And these students meet the faculty mentors at least once in a week. The faculty acts as a single point of contact between the students as well as their parents. The parents regularly interact with these faculty mentors and the mentors guide the students in the right direction. Having an experience of more than 24 years in the engineering field, my advice for the parents and the students is look out for an engineering college which gives importance to not only academics but also to co-curricular and extracurricular activities by which the students can develop in a holistic manner. At Canara, we conduct Akriti as intercollegiate national festival. Also, we conduct a lot of technical as well as non-technical events. Also, the college is having more than 12 student clubs in which every week a half day is meant for the student activities. The students are responsible for the planning and execution of the activities, and also based on their choice they can join any clubs and participate in the activities conducted by these clubs. Canara Engineering College is a beautiful campus situated in the heart of the nature where each and every student can develop in a holistic way. Hi, this is Priya Frank. Thank you very much.